Hello everyone and welcome to our Happy Mail section. And today's Happy Mail is from Lorraine Townslea. Thank you so much, Lorraine. There's two bags here. We're going to open up this bag. We'll do this one first. Oh my, look at, oh, I thought that was snowballs. Look at that. Cuddly Super Soft. Look at that. It's from B&M. Do you know, I used to shop in B&M all the time for my yarn. And when Rain said, I've got some B&M yarn and I'm having a clear out, do you want it? And I immediately said yes, because a lot of the B&M yarn is beautiful. Look at this. I'm going to put, I'll just open that a little bit more. So there's one, two, there's three, it just keeps filming. These are fantastic for making like snow things for like Christmas, and some nice muffs for Christmas, I think, don't we? And maybe a little few snoods and things. So I've got one, two, there's, oops, another one. Look at that. That's pretty. It's 100 grams in it, and it's a cuddly soft. It says super soft yarn, and it is really nice. It's like I would work it as a double knitting yarn, even though it's got all that fluff on it, and it's going to make such a nice chunky soft baby soft blanket. Beautiful. And if you mix it with other colours, it really make it pop. Now there's four of those, and look, oh my goodness, look at this. You are kidding. Oh, there's another one. There is another one. Look at that. That is brilliant. I don't believe it. Look at this. There's pinks and the same chunky deluxe. It says spot yarn. Oh, there is little spots. Look, there's little pink, little dark spots of pink in it. Isn't that really pretty? And it's chunky. Oh, it's really nice. That's going to make a super chunky warm blanket. It really is. One, two, three. There's another one in there. Look at that. That is so generous. Thank you so much. There's one, two, three, four, five. Goodness. Oh, look. And don't worry about sending me ones like this. This is that sort of super chunky spots as well. Don't worry about sending me balls like this. I do have a wool winder, and it winds them up into like this, like big sort of cakes. That's what my wool winder does. It'll take something like this and wind it up like that. So it's so don't worry at all about sending me balls that look like this. I'm getting a little bit rude here. Oh, look at this. Look at this. This is Little Dreams Chunky Deluxe Spots. You can see the spots more on the blue than you can on the pink, actually, when you take a little look at it. Crochet's up amazing. I mean, really, if you've got a B&M Bargains near you, then I would highly recommend their yarn, because it really is nice. It really is. And these are like $1.99 a ball. Super economy. Super. It's beautiful yarn as well. I mean, you think it is. Look how soft and squidgy that is. And it's nice and thick. And I've seen a lot of people who have crocheted or knitted items on my Facebook group. It's called Crafty Twints Art and Crafts. And if you've made anything from my tutorials, then please come into the group and show us what you've been making. It'd be lovely if you did that. And there's one more blue in there for that one. That is super. Really, I'll pop that back down there, and I'll get my scissors again. Thank you so much, Lorraine. And we'll open that one. Oh my goodness, we've got more of that deluxe. Oh, it's pretty. Look at that one. So in my B&M home store and our home bargains, we don't always get yarn in it because it's always taken so quickly and you hardly get the chance. Now look at these. Look at this. This is beautiful. Look at that. You can even mix all those together. It's absolutely amazing. I love this stuff. I love this. And I have crocheted and knitted with, oh, look at this. Oh, look. I want to put these on the chair. That little ball there. And there's another one. Look at this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness. It just keeps coming. Oh, I've spotted something. Oh, wait, you see this? Look at the colour in that. This is a hayfield. Look at that. It's a sparkle. Can you see the sparkle in there? Oh, that is such a pretty colour. That's double knitting. Now, these ones were chunky, and this is 100 grams of double knitting. 296 metres and 324 yards. And it's pretty. Extra value double knitting, but it's so pretty. It really is. It crochets up really, really nice. There's one of those. There's more. There's more down there. And she sent me a little note. Oh, look at that. Baby Blossom Chunky. That is so pretty. It's so pretty. There's 2 of those. That's amazing. It really is. These are all so generous. Look at this. There's more of that. That blue. There's down in there. There's another one. And there's this beautiful lilac. Now this is Baby Sparkle. It's 100 grams and it's double knitting. And look at the sparkle in that. It's a beautiful lilac. I have never seen that in my store. And the one that we've got on that blue, I've never seen, well, this one, I've never seen that in my store. That other one's a hayfield. This one here is a hayfield brand. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this. The smell coming out of that bag is amazing as well. Mmm, yum. Oh, it's lovely. Oh, Lorraine, the smell. The smell of your house is beautiful. Oh, it really is. And there's more of that lilac. It's amazing. I just love this. I love this. And I know you all do too. We all love it, don't we? We all love these happy mails. And then this is a lighter pink and it's got that little sparkle thread through it, but it's not an itchy sparkle. Do you know that when you get some of the metallic thread in them, they're quite itchy? Well, this isn't. It's really, really soft. I'll pop that one down there. So we've got one more of that beautiful pink. Look at that together. That is so, so pretty. It's make a lovely dainty little blanket. And I am going to tell you that I have got 10 different blankets in my little to-do book. I've got 5 of them done already. I'm doing little pram size and car seat sizes. I've got 1 or 2 that are a little bit bigger that I work on in the evening to make them a little bit bigger. Look at that. That is so pretty. And you put that with that. Look, even though that's a different brand, it still goes together. Look at that. It's brilliant. Really brilliant. So I've got lots of blankets that are going to be getting uploaded on to the channel. And you love this happy mail as well. So do I. So do I. I don't need to buy yarn for forever almost. And it's all thanks to you ladies. And it helps keep the channel going. It keeps me busy. It keeps you entertained with these. And they're just absolutely, the colours are amazing. I just love this. I really love this. I really do. I see it on my, like I said already, I see ladies posting pictures of the blankets and that they've made and the little baby outfits, and I feel quite sad sometimes that our B&M home store doesn't do well. I can't get it, if you know what I mean, the time I get down there, because a lot of the time I am restricted to the house, and on my good days when I can get out, my son or my daughter will come and they'll take me down in a car because I don't drive either. It's a Happy Meal. Somebody going to give me an automatic car? No, no, it's just a joke. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding about that. Seriously, seriously. Love, I love these yarn donations and our Happy Meal. It really is. It gives you a chance to talk about other things as well sometimes, doesn't it? Rather than just showing you like this stitch or that stitch. And everybody loves it. They do. They like to see what someone else gets. I do it myself. I watch lots and lots of unboxing and Happy Meal videos and unpacking videos of all sorts. And even I love the joy that those people have. And I'm getting the chance to know how that feels. And that's our little bag empty. Thank you very much for watching. And Lorraine, amazing, amazing. Thank you so much. I really, really do appreciate it. I just popped a bag down there and Muttley's not there to get it. Muttley usually just puts his ball into the bags. But anyway, thank you. Thank you so much. And if you're having a de-stash, don't bin your yarn. Just pop it in a bag. Ask me for my email. Ask me for my address. Send it my way. I can use it. I can use all of it. I can use it all. And it's just brilliant. It's great, and I love it, and I really, really do appreciate it, Lorraine. Thank you so, so much. And I've enjoyed our little chats on email as well. So thank you so much. And as ever, I will ask you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you click on the bell icon, then YouTube will alert you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.